What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create a new user on your site, and most specifically how to create an admin, so an administrative user to your site. Imagine the following scenario. You contracted someone to do a job on your site, to, for example, redesign your site, and you don't want to let this person use your WordPress username. So you're gonna need to give access to this person for administrative tools of your site, for example, creating pages, deleting or styling plugins or themes, but this person gonna need an admin account. How to create this? This is what we're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for friends of yours. Yes, go to our WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and hover a mouse over users. Normally it's between plugins and tools. As soon as you hover a mouse over users, you're gonna be able to see three options: all users, add new user, and profile. Click on add new user. Right here, the most important part is the username and email. You need to give this person a username and give an email. So, username and email set, you can enter the full name, so the first name or last name, your website, the language. You can set the different language or set your site default language for this new user, okay, this new admin. Then a very important part right here, the password. This person gonna have the most important access to our site, so they gonna be able to delete things, to install things, so potentially to broke your site or to construct your site. So type a strong password, okay? So don't hesitate in type a very strong password. WordPress gonna evaluate your password, gonna review that and say if it's strong, weak, medium, okay? So I recommend that you type a strong password. Save that. You can set the options to send a new user or email about their account, okay? Now the most important part, the rule. Remember to set as administrator, because WordPress by default set all users to be subscribers, okay? And before I can continue, just an important thing to do, important remember. Only give administrative access for your site for persons that you really trust, okay? After this, click on add new user. And right here, it's our user. You can click into the user, review, and change some options on the account. We can change the rule of the account anytime. So it can be a shop manager, a consumer, a customer, a subscriber, a contributor, author, editor, or administrator. You can change the rule. You can change some options right here. We can even apply a gravatar, but you can set a new password. You're never gonna be able to see the password again, but you're gonna be able to set a new password, okay? After this person finish the job on your site, remember to delete their account, okay? No reasons to have admins for no reason on your site, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install, you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.